lot of bad knowledge shit I can't say. It's probably why God put these problems in my damn way. Everything. Whoa, whoa, yes. Pause for everything. Hey, I swear to God, look at me. Pause for everything. Yeah. Pause for everything. Yeah. I'm from the South Side, Chicago, where they known the pop lit.
What up, Smart Rapper Gang? I'm going to teach you something in this video that will change your music career forever, and you'll be able to do it all in a single day.
Yes, sir.
You'll see how genius this is and why this is how I set up my entire days to progress and fuel my business and my music.
Yeah.
You need to grow across your spectrum of what's necessary. Think, what things do you need in your music career to actually make it, okay? You're already thinking this, but sometimes you don't know the answer, okay? But I'm gonna outline it for you. And then I'm gonna explain you how to grow across all of these areas every single day so that you're actually improving in every single area all at once, instead of being behind in a bunch and too far ahead in the others, right? This is actually how I learned to properly grow myself that got me where I am today. So what are those things that are gonna progress your music career? Like, what are the primary tools that you need for success, okay? What I do every day is I take the most important things that I need to excel my music career, and I make sure I do at least one thing for each of those areas every single day.
Damn, he good.
This way you're actually moving forward in every area. Most people, you don't think like that, right? You ever thought about that?
No.
This way I'm growing across the spectrum of music and success and business. Everything that's important to me, that's one thing. I do at least one thing every day to move the needle. Every day, so I'm always moving forward. I never feel behind. This way, when I'm ready to really make it happen, I have everything, all my skills at every level, everything's where it needs to be at an even level, so nothing is missing.
I'm focused,
and I can really
man.
just push the go button. And that makes sense, right? And all you need to do is take 2 hours out of your day, which anyone can find time for. I've proven this time and time again in other videos about how much time you are wasting and not using properly. Sorry, there is a lot of hours in a day, my friend. Inside of those 2 hours, we're gonna place all of the things you need to progress your music career that I'm about to break down for you, okay? Actually, you know what? I'd rather you make time for 3 hours. Let's say 3 hours, because you can do 3 hours. I'm pushing you, you're smart, I'm gonna do this. 3 hours is 12% of your day. All right, it's an eighth of your day. If you can't spend 3 hours a day on your music career, you're lazy.
Damn.
You don't really want this, or most likely both. Actually, it is going to be both. And I mean, you're never going to make it
Never.
if you can't dedicate time. Right? All right. And after you do these things every day for even a week, I'm going to tell you, you'll suddenly feel further in your music career than you've ever felt before. And that's because you'll feel that you're actually getting further across your entire identity of being a music artist. You'll feel more fulfilled like in every area. It's not like, oh, I'm just good at this. It's like, I feel, oh yeah, I'm good. Like, you'll feel good all the way across the board. So we're going to incorporate the primary things that you need to grow your music career into a 3 hour window. Okay? Let's get it. I'm gonna tell you the primary things you need to grow your music career in a 3 hour window every single day. And then I'm gonna do them one at a time so they're not overwhelming. Number one, music creation to have the songs. Common sense, right? But this also means a bunch of different things, because it means that you need the skills to make the music, and you need the skills to be able to record yourself. You need the skills of being able to write the songs, to do the melodies, to redo them, to do ad-libs, to mix them. Like, these are all the skills that you're gonna need. And you need to grow all of those skills, not just one, right? So you need to make that lay it out. Like, here are the skills that I need. I need to work on all these skills every single day to get better. And they grow together. So once you learn a little bit about one, the other one starts growing too, right? Because your information, this is how it's gonna be. So when it comes to you having great music, make that list. What are the things that's going to entail for you to be able to get great at it, to where your music's worthy of actually being heard by masses of people? You may think it's ready now. I'm not gonna go into that conversation with you, but no matter what, you can always get better.
He ain't lying.
And then dedicate 2 to 3 hours a day on it. Again, 3 hours is just 12% of your day. It's an eighth of your day. If you can't do that, you're lazy as hell, and you don't really want it. You spend 30 minutes on mixing, you spend 30 minutes on songwriting, you spend 30 minutes getting better at recording yourself, you spend 30 minutes on understanding music equipment. It's not even that long.
That's what she said.
It's really not that long, but you need to do it, okay? All right, then you might have all these other skills, but the other skill that you're gonna need to have no matter what, if you're amazing at making music, is you need to learn how to market. So you should be taking a window of every single day, understanding marketing, reading marketing books, reading marketing articles, seeing what other artists are using as PR stunts, looking at hip hop news, which is a very easy way to understand marketing. But your music's never gonna move unless you have that marketing capability. Music and marketing is essential. So if you can make a time frame in your day, every single day, part of that time frame should be dedicated solely towards you making music and you learning marketing for that music. Because those are the two things. You need music and you need to be able to market music. If you don't have those two, you do not have a music career.
Damn,
sorry,
son.
That's how it is. And number three, what you are going to need later in your music career that's going to help you drastically is you actually having a network of people. Now, you don't know when these people are going to come in handy, but you could have met the person 2 years ago. Now suddenly you need a little bit of help on something, or you need a little bit of information on something. Oh yeah, I met that person over here. And that never happens if you weren't networking, okay? And you should have a time window every day where you just DM 5 people. Now, they might not respond. If they don't, oh well, fuck them when you make take it, don't respond to their DMs when they DM you or they go to DM you, which has happened to me many times. I was like, oh yeah, I messaged you like 3 years ago, you didn't respond, so now suck my watch. Okay, it's like you know, you didn't want to respect. You know, I know you get it, but that's how it is because people are gonna want something for you, but they don't want to give you the respect of responding to you sometimes. But get used to it. You should be reaching out to people in a time window every single day to grow your network. Okay, and maybe they'll see a message in 2-3 weeks, they respond to you, then now you're connected. Okay. Build that network. The fourth thing that is going to be essential for your success that you should add into this time window is to make it in the music industry, you are going to need health.
To this day.
For your energy. Okay, because you got to hustle all the time. So every day there should be a time window where you do something that makes your health better, right? Something that's going to help you be healthier. Because the healthier you are, the more energy you can put into every single day. So instead of being like 8 hours, oh no, it's like a 12-hour day. Think about the difference, 4 hours. Like think about the amount of energy. If you have enough energy to get twice as much done in a day, this would mean that you'd be further in 1 year than somebody would be in 2 years. Simply by taking your eating and exercise habits more seriously. People don't think like that. That is the reason why I went vegetarian, because you have more energy. And with more energy, I can outdo opponents. I can do more and win faster. Plus, think about this, when you do get famous and you become successful, wouldn't you like to be so healthy that you can enjoy life to the fullest and enjoy it as long as possible because you're healthy? Common sense. Work out at least a 30-minute time window every day where you can exercise in some way, shape, or form. Okay? It's worth it. Now, number 5 is the thing that you need to add every single day into your time window. There needs to be a time window every day, okay? Because it's going to take money to invest into your career. So you need to be considering money, okay? And this money making is happening outside of those 3 hours that I recommend in a time window while you're working a day job, okay? But think about this, you can also spend time inside of those 3 hours that you dedicate for your music career working on ways for you to make more money for your career. Now, remember that money is the lifeblood of a company. Okay, so once the money's gone, it's dead. It's dead in the water. There's nothing to flow through it to keep it alive and running. So you need to have money. You need to have money, not only have money, but learn where to put that money. So researching and learning these things and finding another job or doing anything that's going to help you get further and make more money is going to help your career a lot more. And you need to work in something about learning and understanding making money and where to put the money and budgeting into your music career. A little bit of time on that every day, even if it's just 10-15 minutes in that time window that I recommend of 3 hours, it's going to be essential in helping you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, there are some other areas that you're going to want to consider adding into your spectrum. And, because there's other pieces of your career that you may not have handled yet, right? Now, to see all of those areas that you'll want to focus on, you can actually download the Music Industry Shortcut. It actually is going to give you a list of over 50 different areas of your music career where you need to focus on growth. All right. Okay. And if you don't know what the Music Industry Shortcut is, I just launched it. It took 7 years to build. Okay. I'm actually going to cut to a little clip I have of it because it saves me from having to keep on saying it over and over again. All right. Either way, I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Keep hustling, and I'll see you at the top. Watch this clip because you could really use this. If you're seeing this right now and you haven't heard about the Music Industry Shortcut, what the are you doing? There's a reason why I've been able to help literally millions of artists. Have artists like Lil Nas X thank me. I spent years building something.
I watch this man every day. His tips work on God. I love you, man. You help a lot of people out here, bro. It's just so amazing that I met you, bro. I love you, bro. For real, man. It's just to meet you, bro.
And you learn every single week. Nothing like this has ever existed because nobody could have built this. I'm an artist, and I teach other artists what I learn as I go. Click this video and go check out what I'm talking about. You need to check out the Music Industry Shortcut. It's the fastest growing community for the music industry, period. I'm pushing this so hard, you have no idea. I already have the #1 educational platform in the music industry, and now I've built this for the music industry. I'm Rob Level. Click this video and go check out the Music Industry Shortcut. It'll take you to the next level. Pun intended.